Hello, my fellow creators, and welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I am participating in a hop. It is a card hopping for February, and this is being put on through our Handmade Happiness Facebook group. For the month of February, our theme is favorite colors, which my favorite colors are pink and purple. And then technique was either using acetate sheets or vellum, and I chose to use vellum. Now this pink vellum is some that was on an invitation I got years ago, and I just saved it in my stash as us crafty people do. I'll also be using my Misty to stamp my sentiment and my VersaFine Clair black ink. I've pulled in my Barely Art craft glue. I'm really liking this stuff, so I'll be using that to adhere the embellishments. And the embellishments I'm using, one of them is by Studio Katia, the pink ones, and the other mix, I don't know where it's from. I've had it in my stash, and it's got some really pretty pink and purple flowers in it. Now, as far as the inks I'll be using, I will be using Gina K inks, and I will be using Innocent Pink, Passionate Pink, Lovely Lavender, and Plum Punch. I'm really liking my Gina K inks, and that's what I'll be using on the cards today. The stamp sets I'm using, for the images, I am using a stamp set by Sign and Insist Stamp that I've had for a couple of years now. The name of the set is Favorite Flowers, so I'll be using that. And then for the sentiment, I am using my favorite things, Birthday Greetings. It says a little birthday wish for a great friend. So I will be using that on my card. Well, let's get started on putting this card together. I'm gonna just play some music while you watch me work. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
is the right size, because I'm going to back it with some black cardstock. Yeah, 4 by 5 1/4. Perfect. So I'm thinking I will do I guess I'll do it right about here. So the way that I attached the piece of vellum, oh, look at this. I used a piece of cardstock that I had stamped something on the back. Well, that's what we do. We save cardstock. And I just kind of put it around the back here. And I'm going to tape it to the back, but I just want to make sure. Yeah, that's where I want it. Let's see. And I'm sure you can hear my husband's screams in the background. Whenever he's on a work call, he speaks really, really loudly. And there's really nothing I can do about that. I cut this down. It's too much overhang. And then I'm just going to tape it down with some washi tape I have here, just to kind of hold it in place. Right there. And right there. So that should hold it in place right there. What do you think? This is the one I did right now, and then here's the one I did first. It's going to be for my mom's birthday. Her birthday is February 22nd. So I'm recording this on Sunday. Her birthday's tomorrow. And I'm just very fortunate to still have my mom around. I don't know what I'd do without her. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I really appreciate you watching. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.